As part of my ongoing AliExpress addiction, I thought I'd take a look at one of the products I bought, and this is a rechargeable multifunction flashlight. I'm really hoping this is going to be a great product for me, and I've seen it reviewed by a couple of other people, Hacktuber and Big Clive. So how about you join me and we'll have a bit of a look at what there is inside the box. So I bought this multifunctional flashlight from AliExpress. It didn't cost me very much, and what I was looking to replace was this. This is a promotional LED light I got from Lottery West in Australia, and it's great. It's nice and bright, but what I found was I was going through an awful lot of AAA cells. So the light's very bright, and it was just running them down. I had thought about going and buying some Pugimax AAA rechargeables, the 1.5 volt ones you can get. But then I saw the reviews for this and I thought, how bad can it be? So I bought one, and here it is. Let's have a look at what you get inside. If I open this up here, a ubiquitous USB to USB-C charge cable. Nothing else in there. And here it is, the torch. So it does say that the head on this rotates 180 degrees, which it appears to do. That's great. It doesn't recommend going further than that, so you shouldn't spin it back around that way. You should spin it back the way you came. I know Big Clive said that that wasn't a big deal, but I'm guessing there's a bunch of wires in there that just knot around and around and around. Anyway, let's have a bit of a look at this thing and just see how it works. So, USB, I'm betting under there's the USB charge. Don't know if you can see that in there. There you go. The USB for charging it, and I assume that that's a USB out, so you could use this thing like a mini PowerBank. Nice. And a little waterproof cover there. Now these appear to be magnets, so I'm guessing, yep, they're magnetic, so you could clip it up somewhere and mount it. That's great. And it's got a belt clip, so you could clip it to your belt or a hat or whatever you wanted to. It seems quite robust. All right, let's see if it works. There's a button here, which I'm assuming is the on button. Oh, yep. So I'm pressing that once, and I've got a nice bright light. Lower light. Whoa, strobe, sorry about that. Okay, what else do you get? Nope. So that, less strobe. How about a long press? There we go. Sorry about the brightness there. So that turns on the side LEDs, and if I press that again, we get red, which is quite pleasing. We get blue. Oh, red, blue flashing. That's always a problem in Australia because it's against the law to display a red and blue flashing police light, but never mind, I'll just not use that one. So when we do have it on, we get a nice digital display here. At the moment it's telling me that this is 98% charged. So that's nice. I'll just turn that off, sorry for the flashing. Can't seem to skip that one. All right, so if you need a light that you can turn and stand or clip to something magnetically, a rechargeable light, and also one that will do colors and the side illumination here, then this will work for you, I think. I'm looking forward to trying it. Not sure how it's going to go because I actually use these at night to get up so that I don't disturb my wife, and I'm not sure that that's going to work for that. That might be a little bit much. And that's a definite no-no. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very, very quick look at my new flashlight. They are available on AliExpress. I got this one nice and cheap, but they're there if you need them. Have a look.